Hello everyone, today I'll be showing you how to simulate honey in Blender. Now the first thing you want to do is click the cube, go to Objects, Quick Effects, and Quick Liquid. This will give you a domain which you're going to scale up and maybe make it a bit longer. Then you're just going to play your animation and see you have a tiny water droplet that fell, but we want it to continuously pour water, so you're going to go to the physics properties of the cube and set it to inflow, so it'll continuously flow water. Next, you're going to go to the domain, and if you scroll down, you see viscosity. Changes this to 0.1. And if you play it now, you see we get this like honey-like pour. Add a mesh, and now if you select solid view, we already have the basics of our honey complete. But now this does not look like honey, so let's fix that real fast. Let's go to shading and select the cube and go to shading. When you're shading, click the actual like water mesh and you'll see your settings might be different. But this is what I have, a glass PDF, and this. We're not going to need the glass PDF, so just drag it out of there. Shift A and add a mix shader. You can connect that right away. Now you're going to also add a glossy BSDF. You're going to want to input them in the right place. Just switch them until it looks the way you want it to. If I change this to yellow, okay, I think you put the glass on the bottom and the glossy BSDF on top. And you have this golden look. If you go into rendered view, it also looks like gold. And this already kind of looks like honey, but not exactly. So if we switch the order, looks the theme. Try changing the fact to get it to something you like. Get this here and this here. Now you have your honey right here, but another thing you could do is instead of a glass BSDF, you can get a translucent BSDF. You're gonna make it yellow. Now if you switch the order, you get this effect, which looks pretty cool. Set the fact all the way up and you get this. And then all you're gonna do is we have this volume here, which we can also change in here. Now this is one way to do it, but the other way is instead of this entire mix shader, you can put this in here. You can just have the glass BSDF and put the roughness up And then if you go to layout, material preview, and click play, we have achieved honey. But now another thing you can do is go to your render properties and set it to cycles. If you go into rendered view, we end up with this. But the amazing part about this one is that just like honey, in the middle we have like a thick, but on the outside there's a small transparent layer. And what you can do with this is, now right now it seems to be red for some reason. It could be the color. The best part is you can make it green and you have some slime. But I'll keep it to be yellow. Just like that. If you change the light to be a sun, you see it really starts to become yellow. And then you can just render an image. And as it renders, you will see it's actually looking a lot like honey. But once you've done that, you might notice the square is still here, easy fix, and make sure you're selecting the cube and not the mesh. Just instead of a principled BSDF, add a transparent BSDF, and boom, the cube is gone. And now you get your amazing honey animation. Go to export settings, HDTV 1080p, choose your output folder, FMPEG video, encoding, set this to H.264 in MP4, and all you have to do is click render animation.